The economy is booming, too bad you're in the part that explodes. You heard it right. Wall Street is partying, CEOs are popping champagne with your salary as the cork, and the stock market is soaring like it's powered by the tears of the middle class. Meanwhile, you're out here budgeting toilet paper squares and pretending instant noodles are a lifestyle choice. But hey, it's your fault, at least that's what they've decided, because why blame broken systems, institutional greed, or a financial model built on speculative bubbles when you can just blame millennials? Yes, you, with your useless college degree, your avocado toast, and your dream of not dying in debt. How dare you expect a life with dignity when you should be grateful for that unpaid internship that gave you exposure? Let's get one thing straight. The American economy is booming, but only if you're at the top. The kind of booming that happens right before a building collapses. A loud, impressive noise and then rubble and regret. Boom for billionaires. Bust for everyone else. And while Jeff is building a rocket to escape taxes and Earth at the same time, you're stuck here trying to decode if the gas station sandwich is worth a 12% credit card interest. Let's talk numbers, or as I like to call them, reality denial metrics. Record profits for corporations, stock buybacks like there's no tomorrow, housing prices doubling while wages crawl like a drunk turtle with a limp. And guess what? If you can't afford a house, it's not because the system is rigged. No, it's because you bought a $5 latte. Apparently, one cappuccino a week is the fiscal equivalent of arson. You're not broke. You're just bad at being exploited properly. At least that's the logic of people who inherited a trust fund and think hustle means waking up before noon. And let's not forget the amazing advice from financial gurus who own 6 properties and tell you to just stop eating out, as if skipping Chipotle will magically generate a down payment in a market where a shed in Ohio costs the same as a kidney. So here's the truth. The economy is booming in headlines but decaying in your reality. It's not about how hard you work, it's about how well the game is rigged against you. But you know what's more explosive than this economy? People waking up. So, asking questions and, well, getting loud. And if this video made you laugh, or, cry bitterly into your secondhand hoodie, just take a second to do the only thing that's actually free in America, like this video. Subscribe if you're tired of motivational BS. And hey, drop a comment telling me, what's the most absurd financial advice you've ever heard? Let's make the algorithm feel as uncomfortable as your bank account does on the 3rd of the month. Because honestly, if we're going to explode, we might as well make noise. Boom!